Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 GMC Yukon. Stock number is 18F259B. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow-ups. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels and they are wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. You have second row and third row bench seating. Up top you do have a sunroof and you have a rear facing entertainment center. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch here on the back. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio and Bluetooth mounted here, full stereo, that includes a CD and DVD player, dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Yukon on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.